"34 months ago we started this project, and we wanted to develop a new innovative solution for the manufacturing industry in Europe to be more cost efficient but also very flexible. We had several challenges ahead of us because what we wanted to do is we wanted to machine with robots. Robots by itself are not very accurate, however they are much cheaper than a CNC milling machine. We come up with 4 different solutions and we tested them in industry. In total we have been able to develop these 4 solutions, testing them in 8 different demonstrator cells, and by doing that we learned a lot on these technical solutions, but foremost on how to apply them in industry.
At the beginning of the project the idea was very ambitious, and I was a bit suspicious whether they would make it, and now today when we see the demonstrators you see that everybody is relieved, and you see actually the concrete results which were originally aimed to be achieved have been achieved.
I think that the potential use of robots also for machining and the possibilities that have been created during the COMET project are quite unique, and therefore I think we will see it spreading out through small and medium-sized enterprises.
Well, the COMET project has brought together a lot of experts from industry and academia, and it's allowed us to get some good feedback on how to actually machine accurately with robots. This has given us some real focus on how to develop the robot interface to really help industry face the challenges that they've got with robots. So they're not very accurate at the moment, so we think the developments that we've made have helped us make it more accurate for machining.
I think the most interesting part is the understanding of how a robot really behaves. And of course, once you have understood exactly how the robot behaves during machining, then you can do a lot of things. Some of them have been done by COMET and are at a very good level of technology readiness.
So the project enabled us to also explore really machining, so really online compensation with our metrology system, which we hope will open up new markets also in that area.
Okay, the development now of the COMET is very good of the online compensation, which is something new compared to the old technology that we had. And now we can compensate the errors and meet the accuracy of the CNC machining.
One of the best results, I think, is the offline programming system, which will be used very often in the future application, because there's nothing like that on the market now.
They come with a completely new concept which allows way more flexibility and reduces the cost in producing parts. Will benefit the manufacturing industry a lot in Europe, because it's the only way we can move forward and we can compete with the pressure from external markets.
When I started attending the project meetings, I was quite skeptical as to the ambition of the project. But I must say it has more than met my wildest expectations in terms of outcome, but also in terms of collaborative efforts.